Good morning, children. As a part of revision, today we are going to learn the question answers of 4th, 5th, and 6th lessons. Let us start with the 4th lesson, that is living things. Right? Multiple choice questions. The first question is, look at here. Which of these will continue to grow as long as they live? Who grow lifelong? Human? No, won't grow. Cockroach? No. All of these? No. Banyan tree. We know that tree will grow always, right? So tree is the answer. Living things get energy from carbon dioxide, oxygen, water, food. So from where do we get? From the food. Third one, which living things sense their environment with the help of sense organs? All animals, all plants and animals, most plants. So here all animals and all plants are answer. The fifth question, fern reproduced by, we know that fern will be reproduced by the forming spores. And which of the following is true? Right, all living things are made up of cells. Yes, true. Most living things are made, most not all, right? So it is wrong. Only plants are made up of cells. Wrong it is. Only animals are made up of, it is also wrong. So answer A is the correct. Next, sixth one, which of these are made up of only one cell? Mosquito, many cells. Ant, many cells. And seed, many cells. Paramecium is the right answer, right? True or false? Let us see here. Living things grow because the size of their cell grow. Size of cell grow or number of cells grow? Number of cells grow. So it is wrong. Wrong. Very good. Some living things are made up of only one cell. Yes, paramecium and amoeba, right? Yes. Plants stop growing after some time. No, it's wrong. Right? Plant never stops growing. It is wrong. Sorry. It is wrong. And living things cannot get energy from the food in absence of oxygen. Yes, it's right. It's right. Living things cannot get energy from the food in absence of oxygen. Actually, two types are there, Nana, here. Aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Somewhat big topic it is. So here, according to the given question, it is false. Right? Next, sunlight provides energy to the plants to make their food, right. And next, come to name these. They are building blocks of living things. What is the basic unit of living thing? Cell. Very good. Your friend who is bigger than you has more number of cells. Yes, more number of cells. Next, the gas given out by the cells is converting a food energy, carbon dioxide. They absorb oxygen dissolved in air. Who absorbs? Fish. Next, it consists of everything around you. What consists of everything around us? Environment, right? So here, list the three features of living things that can be used to differentiate from the non-living things. What we can differentiate? Look at here. Living things are made up of cells. Living things can grow and change. Living things need energy, right? So these are the differences. Living things respond to their environment. Living things reproduce. These are the differences, right? So now come to reproduction in plants, right? Which of these does not reproduce from seed? Which one do not reproduce from seed? Bean seed रहता है, cotton seed रहता है, pea seed रहता है, mushroom it is a fungi, it produces spores, so it is the answer. Which of these can reproduce from the leaves? Bean, wrong answer. Seed. Mushroom, spore, wrong answer. Cotton, seed, wrong answer. Bryophyllum, right. Bryophyllum can reproduce by producing from the leaf. A seed has been kept for a long time. Which of these necessary for the starting of germination? It requires water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, all of these. Next, Bina discovered a seed which was surrounded by soft light hair. See, soft light hair मतलब एयर से डिस्पर्सल होना. हो गया, आंसर आ गया. और क्या है, right? Which of these इज एन ऑयल प्रोड्यूसिंग क्रॉप. वीट से ऑयल निकलता है? नहीं. कॉटन से? नहीं. टी से भी नहीं. सनफ्लावर? यस. विच ऑफ दिस इज ए क्रॉप ग्रोन इन विंटर? राइस? नहीं. मेज भी नहीं. वाटर चाहिए दोनों के लिए. ऑल ऑफ दिस नो. सो वीट इज द आंसर. Right. All plants produce seed. Wrong. Some plants they produce spores also. Right. And next, true or false? These are the baby plant in the seed starts using the food stored from the seeds only when it start growing. Right. Yes. It is. Yes. True. The seed need sunshine to start growing. Yes. It requires sunshine, water, carbon dioxide, everything. Right. What is this? If all seeds fall below the mother plant, they would not grow into healthy plants, right? Because जब सभी plants एक ही जगह में रहते हैं, तब there is a competition between the plants for the nutrition. So that's why it is better to disperse away from each other, right? From the parent. To grow into the healthy plant, different plants need different conditions, right? Definitely, some need water, some need dry land, some need wet land, like that, right? Next, the yield from the crops does not depend on the type of the seed used. See, the yield from the crop does not depend upon the type of seed. It is wrong. It definitely depends upon the type of seed. If you select the good seed, then we can able to get good crop, right? So sorry for the disturbance. Next one, how does a potato plant reproduce? Potato plant reproduce by eyes, means from potato's tuber. It is a part of stem, right? Now, why is seed dispersal is necessary, right? So if the seed do not disperse, then it fall at the parent plant, and there is a competition between the plant for the growth. If it disperse, then it can able to spread its species all over the world, right? And next, what do you mean by agents of seed dispersal? Give names of some of them, right? So the agent is nothing but the carrier who carries the seed from one place to another place, either air or otherwise water or human or insect or birds. All these are agents, right? How are the seeds dispersed by the wind? When the seed contain light and soft hair around them, they can able to blow away through the air, like milkweed, dandelion, right? All these are carried away by the wind. Next, how do hooks and spines help the dispersal of seed? We know that the tiger nail seed, here it is, the tiger nail seed and as well as xanthium seeds, they have hooks and they are going to stuck to the body surface of the animals so that they carry easily. And next, name three types of crops. What are these three types? Oil crops, food crops, fiber crops, right? Oil crops are sunflower, groundnut, etc. And fiber crops are cotton, jute, and what do you call food crops? Vegetable or fruits giving crops are called food crops, right? Rice, wheat, jowar, whatever it may be. Name two crops that grow well in summer and two that grow in winter as well, right? In summer, the crops which grow in summer, vegetables like lady's finger, brinjal, ground bitter gourds and pumpkin, they grow in the summer, right? And winter, we cultivate what we cultivate rice, sorry, in the winter we cultivate varieties, cabbage, cauliflower, radish, beans, they are grown in winter. And as well as we also grow wheat and bengal gram, etc., right? So that is about winter crops and these crops, right? Next we will go for the next lesson, that is animal lifestyle. Okay. Breathing consists of getting energy from food, right? Taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. Wrong, it is taking oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide, right? All of these, no, right? So two correct answers are there, right? Taking in oxygen and giving carbon dioxide out, but it is better to say that getting energy from the food. First one is the right answer. Which of these can breathe through the both lungs and skin? Human, only lungs. All mammals, not lungs. And frogs, right, frogs are the right answer. Next, rodents are herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Rodents matlab incisors are longer, front teeth are longer, so they are herbivorous. Snake moves by its body surface, right, by pushing the ground against body surface. And next, which of these eats both plants and animals? Rabbit only plant, eagle only animal, tiger only animal, bear is the right answer. which of these which of these uses only hind limbs to move? Human, right, hind limbs. Dog, four limbs. Bird, hind limbs, and it waves the what you call feathery wings, right? Wrong answer. Cockroach, all limbs are used, so human is the right answer. Right or wrong? All animals eat same kind of food. Wrong. Fish do not breathe. Wrong. A cockroach breathes through the spiracle. Right. Herbivores have sharp pointed front teeth. Right. Not all, but right it is. All birds can fly. No, wrong. Ostrich unable to fly, right? Insects do not have wings. No, wrong it is. Some insects they have. Migration is mass movement of the animals over the long distance, right? Animals that eat both plant and they are called omnivorous, right it is. Right? So now come to fill in the blanks. Taking in oxygen and using to get energy from the food is called breathing. They are used for breathing. They look like bags, right? That is lungs. They are present in the water animals. They are present in the water animals and absorb oxygen. In water animal, what there? In the fish, gills, right? Gills are the right answer. They have holes. In which the holes are present in the sides? Spiracles, cockroach. Small herbivorous gnawing animals are called rodents, right? And next, the bird which travels largest distance during migration, Arctic tern, and many are there, Siberian crane, like that. The gas that is given out during respiration, CO2, carbon dioxide. The organ through which frogs breathe, moist skin, lungs, and as well as gills in the baby form, tadpole form. Four limbs of human beings are become hands. Right? How does oxygen present in the air get all the parts of our body are in mammals? By the lungs. From the lungs, the oxygen is carried by the hemoglobin present in the blood. Through the blood vessels, it entered into human body. Right. What are gills? How they function? How do they perform? Gills are present in the fish, and at the gills there is hemoglobin which catches the oxygen, releases the carbon dioxide. How is air is taken all parts of the body in insects? Through the spiracles. Through the spiracles, it enter into body. Right. And next, what kind of teeth do they have? Herbivorous animal. They have only blunt teeth. Right. There are no canines, means sharp teeth are absent in case of herbivorous. Carnivorous, they have sharp pointed teeth, whereas it is absent in herbivorous. Name the three animals each that run fast by using their limbs: cheetah, tiger, deer, etc. Crawl slowly using their limbs: tortoise, and as well as snail, earthworm. They crawl slowly. How does these move? Fish move by using fins and tails. Birds uses wings to fly. Name two insects that have no wings. For example, ant, it don't have wings, right? And as well as a bed bug, it don't have wings. Whereas wings having insects are dragonfly, butterfly, they are insects, Nana, right? So this is about the question and answers of this session.